Good morning.
Hi-oh.
So we are headed to our local farmers market, or it's called community auction. Anyway, those that know it well call it the Rogers sale. And I am here to give you tips on how to best navigate a farmers market, especially if you're traveling and you're not sure, it's not your home market. So let's go. So one of my first tips is, and you notice this straight away, is to always look for a map, because the Rogers sale is gigantic, especially when it's hopping in the summer, late spring. Check. Look for a map, kind of make a plan of where you want to go, and shop wisely. So my second tip is to dress appropriately. Depending on the weather and how long you plan on staying. In our neck of the woods, you know, in the spring and summer, you can see sun, rain, high winds, anything. So dress appropriately, make sure you wear comfy shoes, and make sure you wear shoes that you don't care to get dirty, because open air markets tend to have a lot of gravel and dirt walkways. So animal stuff. So yeah, don't ruin your good shoes. All the socks. There's always a lot of handmade stuff here too. Take advantage of the bulk apples, the bulk fruit, because look at this, 10-pound bag. And they're local. Yay, we love supporting local. So when you first come in, you know, if you have good legs and can, you know, plan on walking a lot, you'll find a lot of the same products from different vendors, and they're all going to be different prices. So peruse first before you commit to purchasing anything. I just saw 3 or 4 vendors back there with sunglasses and purses, but I'm going to go and look in the open air section of the market to see if there are better deals. We live in an area where there are several Amish and Mennonite communities, and oh my goodness, are we lucky, because there is the best donut stand, and I can spy it from a mile away because there are people flock to it just over here. And we are going to go show you these massive donuts that are crazy and expensive, so hold on. Okay, we made it. I see the sign. I told you I'm making a beeline for the donuts, right? And Mary's Homemade Donuts. Wait till you see these. I don't know that you've ever had these donuts before, have you?
I don't know.
No.
I think so.
You think so?
Fuck a donut.
I know, you're kidding. Don't.
Feed a family with it.
So 1 cinnamon sugar, 2 maple, 1 sprinkle,